At Absolutely Bored Creative Studio, we offer a large variety of hands-on, personalized experiences. We'll turn you into a do-it-yourself master by offering resources and tools to help you create your perfect sign. From the wood, to the color, to the imperfections that make your creation unique, we'll help you bring your creation to life. Maybe you've never picked up some sandpaper or a power tool. Don't worry. We're sure that we'll find you in the local hardware shop filling up your own toolbox after your first experience at Absolutely Bored Creative Studio. Our classes offer many different options for the new DIYer, design diva, or an experienced craftsman. Call or stop by today. We know you won't be bored with Absolutely Bored Creative Studio.